in both of these structures, we have some glands, and we're looking at them right now longitudinally. So this is one gland in the small intestine. Here is another gland in the small intestine. Here's one in the colon, and here's another one in the colon. Now, what I'd like for you to notice is that in the colon, you have virtually nothing but goblet cells. Now, each of these types of glands are lined by a simple layer of glandular columnar epithelium. All right, but in the colon, you're going to have virtually nothing but goblet cells, okay? Whereas in the small intestine, you will have a few goblet cells, and that's what I'm pointing out here. These are the cells that have a very, very large, empty white space that looks like, just looks like it's empty, but it's filled with mucin. So your small intestine on the left-hand image does have some goblet cells, but it has more of your all-purpose enterocytes, and these are the cells that absorb the nutrition from the digestive tract. The goblet cells secrete mucus, mostly in the colon, a few goblet cells in the small intestine, but a lot of enterocytes. So we're looking at columnar epithelium that do not have the goblet cells, do not have mucin in them. That's the enterocytes. So there's a mix in the small intestine, but the colon will have virtually nothing but the goblet cells.